everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to put a background image behind story or reels on your Instagram. To do so, first of all, what you can do is open your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then click on the plus button from the button and then select any background photo you have in your device. For now I'm choosing this one. Now hit on the next and from the top right corner choose the gallery option and choose another reel or story that you want to post and just put it front of that. So in this way you can easily put a background image behind reels or story in your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. To do so, first of all, what you can do is open your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then click on the plus button from the button and then select any background photo you have in your device. For now I'm choosing this one. Now hit on the next and from the top right corner choose the gallery option and choose another reel or story that you want to post and just put it front of that. So in this way you can easily put a background image behind reels or story in your Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. To do so, first of all, what you can do is I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.